In this restoration period, there is a lot of many process to be done, included God Himself. God was made flesh and dwelt among us. The first coming of Jesus Christ is on earth. And the second appearance of Jesus Christ, the name is Jesus Joseph in Hebrew chapter 9 verse 28. Before the coming judgment, of course. And number two is man. We are the creation of God the Father. And we must learn that we undergo some process of our likeness and image of God. We must prepare our very own self unspeaked. We must change before the coming day of the Lord. We must say some forgiveness to our God of all our sins committed. And also number three is the creatures, of course, the plants, the trees, all the creatures, the fish, the turtles. We have a lot to do for this restoration time, including also the nature, the sky, the land. There is some food offerings done here in our USCDN because Mother encouraged us to do this task. So therefore, we are going to accept our individual tasks nowadays without any refuses, without any interruption, without any stopping the plan of God. Thank you.